Have you ever thought about taking your passion for health and nutrition and turning it into a successful, lucrative career? I get how important it is for you to take your passion for health and nutrition and turn it into a successful wellness coaching business. You're just not sure where to get the right education. You may be trying to study this on your own. I often talk to people who are confused and frustrated because all they have found so far are very costly coaching courses teaching just diet, nutrition, and emotional support, which there's really nothing wrong with that. They just don't go deep enough. My personal search for health led me to the study of naturopathy, which ultimately set my body free from living in a constant state of illness. Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl, and I'm the founder of the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness. And even though I am a certified naturopathic doctor, my goal is not to be your doctor, it is to be your teacher. I understand what you're really needing is a complete foundational program on naturopathy, including personal mentorship. My passion is to impart this knowledge to you so you can empower and coach others. Health and wellness is a $1 trillion industry for a reason. People are tired of being sick, over-medicated, and they're searching for a natural solution to their health challenges. The world needs this education now more than ever. That is why I've developed the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness online course and mentorship program, where you will learn how to understand how your body systems work and interact with each other, along with the knowledge of how to effectively use science-based nutritional supplementation in order to bring the body back into full balance. Many of my graduates have commented how they love the personal mentorship, thus enabling them to easily understand the root cause of disease and how the human body actually really works. They gain the confidence to effectively teach and coach others to obtain optimal health. Once you understand how to use your naturopathic wellness coaching skills and people start to get tangible results, you will find this very rewarding and have all the referrals and clients you've ever wanted, creating a very significant reoccurring income stream. If you are interested in learning about what the study of naturopathy can do for you and your clients, your next step is to click the link somewhere on or around this video, and it will take you to a page where I will break down exactly what this program is all about and what it takes to become a certified naturopathic wellness coach. Together, I believe we can make a huge difference in the world. Click the link now. You'll be so glad you did.